First, let's download the correct Bliss OS ISO files. Go to blissos.org. Press Downloads now and select 64 bits. Select your processor type from the list, and select the latest Stable Bliss OS release. Wait for the download to finish. Open up VirtualBox, and create a new virtual machine. Under Type, select Other. Under Version, select Other 64-bit. Set amount of RAM, and make sure the virtual hard disk is at least 8 GB, or it will not work. Go to Settings, then Storage. Click on Empty, press the disk icon, then choose a disk file. Select your downloaded Bliss OS ISO image file. Click OK and start the virtual machine. Click Start. Select Advanced Options, then Auto Installation. Select Yes. Wait for the Bliss OS installation to finish and press OK to run it. All done. Please subscribe.